In this demo, Cresco International will discuss an alumni donation predictive model using SPSS Modular. Universities across the USA, depending on alumni donation which reflects student loyalty, brand recognition, and future student registrations, which counts for university, college, and school growth. Cresco's predictive model allows identification of donors based on past and current behavior trends and donations and alumni event attendance and predicts the amount of donation for historical trends. This informs organizations on their marketing strategies, effective and target messaging, and is a most saver with minimum investments. First, we generate an Excel data file with alumni information, such as current work information, study performance, scholarship, financial situation, and campus activities. Next, a type node allows us to specify variable measurements and roles. We set the student ID as the record ID, set the donation as the target, and set other variables as inputs. Then we select the model. SPSS has many model options. In this case, our target donation amount is a numeric variable. So we can use an auto-numeric node in SPSS. The node can automatically help us to select 3 best models among many models. After running the automatic numeric model node, we can see the results. Random forest, XGBoost tree, and the random tree are the top 3 models. Double-click the random tree. We will have more detail about the model. The model results show statistics information, record summaries. An output table allows us to see the observed value and predicted donation amount in the same table. We notice that the predicted alumni donation amounts are very close to the real donation amount. So, we can take the model that SPSS Modular automatically selects for us. For next step, we can further improve the performance of the model on top of this model. If you want to get customized predictive models and alumni donation, contact Cresco team for more information and details.